Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're fine and enjoying. It's learning time, so let us learn CVC words. Do you know what are CVC words? It's consonant, vowel, consonant. Before we start, we should revise some sounds. J, R. Do you remember the sounds? K, D, G, K, B, H, Ch, A, J, B, E, V, Y, Z, Q. And next is P, T, S, A, E, R. And then next is G, O, K, G, O, B. And then now we will make CVC words. So the first word is D, lid. You cover your pot with the lid. And the next word is van. We go to school by van. The next word is hen. We usually play with hen in the garden. Lap. Baby likes to sleep on mom's lap. And the next word is grass. So the grass is green. And the next is frog. It's a beautiful pink frog. And the next word is bug. Nice red color this bug has. And the next is cut. We cut the paper with the scissors. And the next word is top. It's a nice toy we play with. Do you play with the top? Now the next word is sun. It keeps you warm. Now it's your turn. Can you make CVC words using the sounds we have learned? So, what are vowels? E, O. These are vowels. And do you know consonants? Great job, children. Well done. I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Subscribe my channel.